What are you doing to Daddy? Makeup? Okay. Go ahead.
It's downright dirty. Impractical Jokers, all new Thursday at 10.
You have to do that. She wants to show you what you look like. Show Daddy what he looks like. He looks so pretty. He's not done yet? Okay. Do the other side first. The other side. The other side, Charlene.
You're so funny, Charlene.
Let's put lipstick on Daddy. You want lipstick? Let me put lipstick, okay?
Wow.
Let's see what you did. Wow, look at that makeup. More?
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough, okay? And then you get the lipstick.
See? You're so good. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Alright, I love you, Charlene.
Let's see your makeup. Where's your makeup? Where? Let me see. You don't have any?
Whoa.